Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to talk about AWS Billing Conductor, a fully managed service for AWS solution providers and enterprise customers. We'll talk about the key features, benefits, use cases, as well as how AWS Billing Conductor works in an application environment. Let's get started. AWS Billing Conductor is a fully managed service for AWS solution providers and enterprise customers. It supports the showback and chargeback workflows and enables you to customize your monthly billing data. The console of AWS Billing Conductor models the billing relationship between you and your customers or business units. The console provides you with a mechanism to configure, generate, and display rates to certain customers over a given billing period. Let's talk about the benefits of AWS Billing Conductor. AWS Billing Conductor offers the following benefits for an organization: aggregated monthly cost and usage data, create and apply specific pricing rules, create custom credit, and generate custom cost and usage reports. Let's elaborate each of these benefits of AWS Billing Conductor. Aggregated monthly cost and usage data. You can assign accounts to a billing group to give you and your primary accounts an aggregated view of monthly cost and usage data. Create and apply specific pricing rules. You can create global billing entity, service, and SKU-specific pricing rules which apply to matching uses and can be assigned to your billing groups. Create custom credit. You can create custom credit or fee line items that apply to the current or prior billing period for each billing group you maintain. Generate custom cost and usage reports. You can generate cost and usage reports for each of your billing groups available at the pair account and the primary account of a billing group. Now let's talk about the use cases for AWS Billing Conductor. AWS Billing Conductor supports the following use cases which cover the need of a broad range of customers: map accounts financially, generate billing reports, and define billing parameters. Let's explain each of these use cases for AWS Billing Conductor. Map accounts financially. AWS Billing Conductor enables you to group accounts with the same financial owner into a billing group. You can create as many billing groups as needed. Assign one account for each billing group as the primary account. Primary accounts have cross-account visibility and can generate a cost and usage report for the entire group. Generate billing reports. AWS Billing Conductor enables you to create a cost and usage report for each billing group. This capability is available at the pair account as well as the primary account for the billing group. However, non-primary accounts assigned within a billing group can generate a cost and usage report only for their account. Define billing parameters. AWS Billing Conductor enables you to create global billing entity, service, and SKU-specific pricing rules which apply to matching uses and can be assigned to your billing groups. These parameters determine the rates your end customers can see. You can create one-time or recurring custom line items to allocated fees and credits, which can be calculated using a flat or percentage-based calculation method. Excellent. Now let's see how AWS Billing Conductor works in an application environment. AWS Billing Conductor is a customizable billing service. It allows you to customize your billing data to match your desired showback or chargeback business logic. To start, you map your accounts to billing groups which are mutually exclusive. You can then define the billing parameters for each group, such as pricing rules and custom line items. Once each billing group is defined, you will be able to view the output of your configuration by billing group. The output of your configuration is shown on the Billing Console Bills page. You can also generate a cost and usage report for each billing group. The diagram is created by Amazon Web Services. It shows the key features of AWS Billing Conductor and integrations with other AWS services. 3 sections display in the diagram from left to right. The first section is titled AWS Organizations, where you create consolidated billing family. The second section is titled AWS Billing Conductor and shows the key features of Billing Conductor. The third section is titled Reporting, where cost and usage reports are used by the customers. We recommend you read the diagram and get a better understanding of how AWS Billing Conductor works in an application environment. In summary, use AWS Billing Conductor to simplify billing and reporting with customizable pricing and cost visibility. Use the showback and chargeback workflows and customize your monthly billing data. Run your business with confidence and comfort. That's all for AWS Billing Conductor. Thank you and see you in the next lesson.